So what is a secret adventure? Usually when you book anything on our platform, you know who is your guide, you know the destination, you know the date, you have a day-to-day itinerary, you know everything about the experience or sport activity you will be participating. This one is a little bit different. You will only know the date, but what's about to happen, you find out shortly before you take the first flight. Of course, we send you a packing list to prepare for the adventure, but the actual activity you will find out shortly before departure. What to expect? It's simple. It could be soft, easy sport activity or a very high risk, high reward expedition level activity. Let's say it could be surfing around this coastline or sailing and reaching this place. A bit of a harder activity. Not necessarily water-based, it could be something on the sky or something on the land. It could be climbing, it could be camping. The only thing you will know before booking is the fitness level required to participate in this activity. How it works? You have two options. We run this event only once a year, and it has a set date, it has a set level of experience and fitness level. Those are the only things you know, and limited spots available. Some of them are application-based, meaning you can apply with your Explorer passport. The organizer will decide if you have what it takes to join the activity, and some other ones that are softer sport activity involved, you can book them with simple click of a button. We usually announce the date way in advance, at least a year in advance, and every year has only one edition. So when we announce it, don't miss it, go ahead and book it. So the second way to book it, what we call customized secret adventure, is you tell us your desired dates, any period you like, and you can pick what fitness level and what experience level, and we find you the best destination, and we connect with our partners worldwide, providers of different land-based, air-based, water-based sport and adventure activities. If your Explorer passport is up to date, we find you what's best, you go ahead and book it. It's still a secret. You will know shortly before the departure date. Of course, we'll send you a packing list as always. You can prepare well in advance. How to book it? It's easy. Go to explorely.com/secretadventure. Either you can book the current edition or the upcoming year's edition. It's only limited spots available. If you have any questions, we're one message away. Go ahead and write us. We take care of it.